This video will explain how to generate API specs for your campaign, allowing you to either ingest leads from a supplier or your own lead gen form. The first step is to ensure you've added a client in both the supplier and buyer positions in your campaign. Without both a supplier and a buyer in your campaign, there are no specs to generate, so I'll go ahead and add them to my campaign now. Generating your own leads and don't yet have a buyer lined up, you can create a dummy buyer and choose Store Lead as the delivery method so you can get your API specs and connect your form. Once your supplier and buyer are added, you can see here in the top right we have the Supplier API specs button. If I were to add a second supplier, as you can see here, I would have a choice of which API specs I want to generate. So if I want to generate 123 Media's API specs, I'll select them and click Show API Specs. And here we have the API specs for this demo campaign. Send this URL to your client and they'll have all the information they need to successfully deliver leads to your campaign, including the required fields, data formats, filters, and ingestion instructions. And that's all there is to generating Supplier API specs in Lead Prosper. Don't forget, if you're brokering leads and you've put your buyer's name in the campaign, you can add a public name in the campaign overview window so you don't inadvertently reveal your buyer's identity to your suppliers.